Hi guys, welcome to Saute at Site.
Like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates and recipes.
Hi guys, welcome back to the third episode of Food Fusion with Saute at Site. And well, today's recipe is about a love story between a South Indian and a Chinese cuisine. So what we're going to cook today is Chinese dosa.
Topped with some gooey cheese. Well, most of you all who have visited Pure Milk Center in Ghatkopar, I'm sure you all will be knowing about this, dosa. And well, but I'll be making it in our own version where I'll be adding noodles and everything. And this is 100% vegetarian. So whoever from the past live videos, we have been getting a lot of requests, especially from my friends who are vegetarians basically, that to make something vegetarian, and based on that I decided to make something vegetarian this time, and I hope you'll enjoy watching this. So let's get started. Trust me, when you make homemade dosas, you will stop buying the store-bought ones, because the ingredients which you add and the way you make it, it's really amazing. So we have made this in our previous YouTube recipe. Please do try it out when you're trying this recipe. So I'll heat the gas. So basically what I'll be doing is I'll be preparing the filling first. I'll be adding in some oil. This recipe is really simple and it's like one of my favorites. Now to show you all, I have sliced some vegetables like cabbage, carrot, some capsicum, and yeah, that's it. Like 3 of these vegetables. I've thinly sliced them, as you can see, and this I'll be sauteing it in some soya sauce and salt. That's it, nothing much. My oil is almost heated. Now I'll be adding this cut or the sliced vegetables. So guys, what I'll be basically doing is now I'll be sauteing the veggies. I'll be adding in some salt so that it gets sauteed faster. You don't have to entirely cook this, because you'll be adding it on top of the dosa. It should be crunchy, it should not be completely cooked. That's the most important part of this.
Yeah, don't turn it out like pav bhaji, because that is really mushy.
Yes. So as you can see, the vegetables are almost sauteed. Now I'll be adding in some soya sauce. The soya sauce is mixed with some vinegar, and I'll saute this further. The aroma is really amazing, and trust me, it really reminds me of the Chinese in Mumbai. So guys, my vegetables are sauteed and I keep them aside, and we move to the next step. So I'll remove this in a plate, because I'll be using the same pan to make my cheesy sauce. So what we'll be making is like the homemade cheese sauce. This is the basic sauce which I use for pasta and everything. So it will be like basically a butter and all-purpose flour, and then I'll be roasting it till I add some milk and some salt and some cheese slices, and it's done.
Health conscious people, please don't watch this recipe, because there's a lot of cheese, there's a lot of butter, there's a lot of ghee in this.
I'll be using some all-purpose flour and roasting the flour. I'll take 2 tablespoons. It's a very basic cheese sauce recipe. So now I'll be adding some milk, and now I'll proceed to melt this. I'll add in some salt, and then I'll be adding some cheese slices. You can use any cheese slices. You can use the cubes or anything. I'll be adding 2 of these just to give it a cheesy taste. So now I'll proceed to melt the entire thing. Don't worry if there are lumps in this, because eventually once it starts boiling, the lumps will get melted completely and it will become nice, cheesy and gooey. So usually when you make white sauce and everything, probably in India, it's not completely cheese. This is how they make the creamy cheesy sauce, and this is the best recipe you could find. It's very simple, doesn't require much of work. So my cheese is almost ready, and now we proceed to prepare the dosas.
So guys, you can, for this dosa batter, you can check out our video. I've left it in the description. I'm just waiting for the pan to heat up. Make sure it's a thin layer, not thick, or you won't enjoy the dosa and the filling inside. And I'm going to drizzle some ghee on top.
Guys, you can use some butter also.
Butter then इधर से निकलेगा. Trust me, ghee is a very good option.
So it's optional. You can add a blob of butter or you can also add ghee. That depends. But we prefer ghee because we like the taste of it. And now I'll be proceeding to add some pav bhaji masala. This will give you a very good taste. Then we'll be adding some more ghee on top of it so it spreads well. Just like the ones which you find. You can see how does it look. So now I'll be adding in the veggies which I had sauteed earlier. And then I'll be adding in some noodles. Just like this. I'll be adding some Szechuan sauce. Actually the name is really different for Chinese, but of course we don't only change the dish completely, the ingredients, but we also change the name. We are quite famous for that, we Indians. So we have completely changed the name as well for this. After adding the Szechuan sauce, I'll be adding some spring onions and some coriander, of course. And now I'll proceed to mix this well. Just to smash it out a little bit so that you know
the masala mixes well with the noodles, you know.
Yes. So yes, somewhat like this.
And when you're doing the stuffing, make sure that the heat is on a low flame, otherwise the dosa is going to get really burnt.
Yes, so ensure that your it's on a very low flame so that you get enough time to do this thing and then you can roll it out easily. You can see it's done like this, and now we'll proceed to grate in some cheese. We're using Kraft cheese. That's my favorite and Asil's favorite as well.
This was my choice. Kraft cheddar cheese is always the best option.
Yes, but I love Amul cheese because they use the same cheese over there. And we're almost done. Now the white sauce I'll be pouring when I'm serving it. So it gives you that taste from top, and it looks good as well while plating, because I'll be plating after this. I'll be clicking a photograph of it. And we are done. So this is how it looks like. And now we proceed to roll this. So Aston will be doing that because I don't want to take any chances. So basically try to roll it on one side so that it's easier to roll.
This is my very first time rolling it up.
So guys, if there are
Don't judge me, guys.
So we are rolling it this way.
You can see how crispy it has turned out.
So guys,
please keep it on low flame, and you'll get these results.
Okay, let's be careful while
wait.
So guys, here it is, our crispy Chinese dosa. And now we'll be topping it up with some cheesy sauce, but not now. So we cannot show this in the video because we'll be using it for our photographs. But I hope you'll enjoyed watching us, and please do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Guys, we need subscribers here, so please support us. We need that. And please do share this video, guys, on your profile, please, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you next time, guys.